my ladies and gentlemen, just going to be setting up this heat mat. It's going to be going under these two trays here, just to give them a little bit of rate of heat just before germination. So I'm going to show you how I go about setting this up. I've got this thermostat here that's also on a timer. First of all, we'll get these out of the way. I use these heat mats here. You see that? This is only 28 watts, which is brilliant. They're not waterproof, so what I do is I'll put that there. I'll plug it into here, like so, and plug this in to my extension cable, like so. That's nicely in there. I'll show you what it's set to. It is set to, there we go, 22, which is great. All I need to do now is get the thermostat, the probe, the end bit, which is here. You see that? So what I'll do now is just cover this up. Nice piece of plastic that I used to line my greenhouse with. And then we shall put this one right at the end here. Look where this is going. And this one here. All we need to do then is get the probe here. Take the lid off. And then in like so. I want it to be near the bottom. I need to get older if we can. Like so. Just see it there going up. So this is basically just for the night time. So whenever it gets to, it's 21.3 at the moment, which is great. So no need to put any heat on at the moment. When it gets to 20.2, the thermostat will come on, the heat mats will warm up overnight, stop any frost, and keep it at that constant temperature. So yeah, that's just a quick video how to set up your heat mats and save yourself some money. You don't have to buy these heater propagators that cost hundreds of pounds. Just doing it this way, nice cheap way of doing it. This probably cost me £15 at the most. That's with the heat mat and the thermostat timer. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. Like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.